Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Sparesbox and Valvoline. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. This week, something a little bit different. We're down here at Summer Nats. We've been down here for a couple of days already. It's currently Saturday, so let's go and rip it up. Well, it's come time we've been called up to run these race lawnmowers. Full caveat, I've never actually ridden a dirt bike before, and apparently these are all dirt bikes with 4 wheels. So I don't know how well this is going to go. So it's hand throttle, right foot is the brake, left foot is the gears, left hand is the clutch. So no doubt I'm going to get super uncoordinated and probably try and climb a barrier, but I'm pretty keen, so let's give it a crack.
Oh yeah, I did tell you I was going to get you last night, right?
Watching this thing is one thing, actually being out there on it is a completely different animal. These things have zero suspension, so you're literally crashing over all the bumps out of there. But super fun. I'm so pumped to have been invited to actually race this. Massive thanks to all of the owners of these mowers, because they actually let us ride these mowers before their championship race this afternoon. So massive thanks to those guys. The green mower behind me was such a machine. I'm so pumped to actually build one of these and come back and try and actually have a crack. Alan Woody also keen. They actually already have a sneaky mower going on in the background. So looks like I might be a little bit late to the race, no pun intended. So from the outcome of the race, in case you missed the order, Alan got first. I blitzed Woody on the last corner, and Woody backed up in the rear. But yeah, massive thanks again to these guys. Thanks to Summer Nats for inviting us. We're going to get back in the cars and do some laps. Well, that didn't go to plan. Well, that's a wrap for us here at Summernats 34. I want to say a massive thank you to Summernats as always for allowing us to come down here and putting on these type of events. Having the best environment, I think, in the country to be able to bring your car, cruise it, do some burnouts, hit the dyno, check out the elite field. It's a fantastic environment and a diverse environment. And as you can see by the cars going by, there is a diverse amount of entrants and it's not all one style of car. So awesome to be here. Really excited to come back for next year. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. If someone's gonna kill me, like give me some sort of move out of the way sign. I'll wait till the rotor goes.